You guys might have seen this viral video of me on TikTok or X and wondered if it's AI. I'm here to tell you guys that it was, but also wasn't. I do UGC on Fiverr, and back in November, a company reached out to me to essentially create a digital twin of me. They told me that they're developing a platform using AI to help advertisers make UGC videos from text. While I had a million and one questions, I ultimately said yes because this sounded like such a cool opportunity and I couldn't just pass it up. Now, fast forward to about 3 days ago, my boyfriend got a text from one of his friends sharing one of my videos, basically saying, "Yo, this company's using your girlfriend's face." So I check out the video and all seems good until I really start listening to it and I realize that's not me talking, it's AI. I figured it was a one-time thing, nobody would see this video, but boy was I wrong. The next morning, I woke up to over 30 notifications in my Fiverr inbox. Some people asking to write an article about me, others asking me if I'm real or fake. Even people I've worked with in the past reached out to me and asked, "Wait, was the video you did for me AI?" And no, it was me. It's been crazy how many people have come to me since then asking questions. Asking me, "Can I make an AI picture of you?" Or, "Do you think the AI version of yourself is gonna put you out of business?" And in short, no, I'm not afraid of this technology. Even a virtual version of myself can't be me. It can't take on my personality, my expressions, or the creativity I put into my videos. I can't say going viral hasn't been great. It really has. I've gotten so many requests on my Fiverr profile to do more videos for new brands. And honestly, I feel like my profile is booming more than ever. I'm so grateful for all the positive comments and recent collaboration opportunities. The past year and a half I've spent on Fiverr has been great, and I cannot wait to see what's in store for the future.